Nurtec tablets is used to prevent or treat migraine. Active ingredient RIMEGEPANT. RIMEGEPANT may work by changing the amount of a certain natural substance in the brain. It helps to relieve headache, pain, or other migraine symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, sensitivity to light sound. Prompt treatment will help you return to your normal routine and may decrease your need for other pain medications. Indications: acute treatment of migraine with or without aura, preventive treatment of episodic migraine. How to use: allow tablet to dissolve on tongue, acute 75 mg once is needed, max daily dose. Preventive 75 mg every other day. The safety of using more than 18 doses in a 30-day period has not been established. Contraindications: don't take Nurtec if you are allergic to Nurtec ODT, RIMEGEPANT, or any of its ingredients. Before you take Nurtec ODT, tell your healthcare provider about all the medical conditions, including if you have liver problems, have kidney problems, are pregnant or plan to become pregnant, are breastfeeding or plan to breastfeed. Tell your healthcare provider about all the medicines you take, including prescription and over-the-counter medicines, vitamins, and herbal supplements. Precautions: before taking RIMEGEPANT, tell doctor pharmacist if you are allergic to it or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to a pharmacist for more details. Before using this medication, tell doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of kidney problems, liver problems. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This medication passes into breast milk. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding. Side effects: Nurtec ODT can cause an allergic reaction which can be serious. If you experience any of the following symptoms, you should immediately call a doctor or get emergency medical treatment: difficulty breathing, shortnness of breath, swelling of the throat, tongue, mouth, lips, face or eyes, hives, rash, itching. An allergic reaction called delayed hypersensitivity reactions may occur days after you have taken this medicine and can be severe. The most common side effects of Nurtec is nausea when it is used for acute treatment of migraine attacks.